Let's talk about the euro for a minute. Do you think that the potential worst-case scenario is priced in Europe at the moment?
We don't think so. We do believe that on the euro-dollar front, we are going to break parity soon. We believe that in the coming 1 to 2 months, we actually could continue to move lower, possibly towards like 95 cents. So it isn't priced in fully. We are watching a lot of indicators. I'd say one of them is looking at the terms of trade in Europe, and it's just continued to deteriorate. As mentioned before, earlier in the show, the gas price backdrop is something that's really creating a negative impact on the euro, the energy, if you want to say, crisis that's coming through, the recession risks on the back of that. And then, of course, this all feeds through. This all feeds through towards what policymakers are going to do as well. And our view is that on the ECB front, it's definitely going to be far less than what the Fed's going to give us in the coming months. So it still looks like the downside pressures on the euro are pretty much intact.
Germany's trade balance has gone negative for the first time in I don't know how long. I mean, it's been an awfully long time. And Germany, the economic powerhouse of Europe, obviously the energy situation is a problem in Germany. So do you think that's going to be a short-term issue, or do you think that's going to have major ramifications across the rest of Europe?
I mean, I do think that at least in the short term, it is still a very uncertain development. The fact is that gas prices are continuing to rise. The fact is that we are seeing a bit of divergences happening in global markets in terms of energy prices versus that in Europe. And this is just going to continue to weigh on the developments, the negativity that investor sentiment is on Europe. I do think that there are several events we have to watch out for. A lot of them are Russia related as well. These could turn out to be even more negative for the developments in Germany, developments in Europe, and of course for the euro as well. So I don't think it's necessarily a short-term phenomenon. We are going to winter, and so I think we are going to be seeing more negativity coming through ahead.